What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. Happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving to all those in the United States who celebrate. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Thursday morning here in the great state of New York, 7:40 in the morning. I wasn't going to do anything this morning other than my original plan to feed the Nassau County Police Department 4th Precinct. But I woke up this morning feeling in a very thankful and generous mood. I'm always quite generous, though. If you guys follow me on Facebook, I'm on all these community groups, and if someone needs help, with, help pay their phone bill or, helping pay, buy some food, I am very quick to send out some Zelles. But this morning I decided to do something a little bit different. Today, Pipe Doctor Home Services, our nonprofit 501c3 charity, Mikey Pipes Philanthropy, and my family's personal foundation, we're going to help those in the community who need some help paying a couple bills. Or if that you have that stress, you have that devil on your back that is just eating you because you don't have the money and your electric's about to get cut off, your gas is about to get cut off, your phone is about to get turned off, your car insurance is going to get canceled today at midnight. If you live in Nassau County in New York, you can come by my shop, 1010 Central Avenue in Woodmere. I'll be here till about 11:30 before I head over to pick up the catering food for the folks and the officers at the 4th Precinct in Nassau County. I got cash in my pocket. We can also Zelle you if you live in Central Florida in Orange or Seminole County. Check out my socials on Facebook, Nextdoor, and check out our Instagram for more details. Forget about making the trades great again like we promote every single day. Today is a day I have to give thanks, and I am so thankful for everything that my family and I have, and I owe it all to the community. And the rest of the afternoon, at around 1:30, we're going to start the annual Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor Deep Fried Turkey live stream. We live stream the entire process with a Q&A from me and my family. Check that out. It's going to be at 1:30 approximately Eastern time, and it'll be on the Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor YouTube channel. It's going to be awesome, guys. I got a turkey. I got a great deal on a turkey this year, and I think it's really going to be fantastic. And we may have a guest appearance from Air Force None, Sippy Cup, it gets better, and Connor Diack from Connor's Cars. And a special surprise guest appearance in the live stream. It's going to be epic, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. Gobble, gobble.